How to label AI generated content on TikTok. So if you want to label AI generated content on TikTok, this label is applied to content that is entirely generated by artificial intelligence or significantly edited by artificial intelligence. TikTok may remove AI generated content that violates community guidelines or isn't marked or disclosed as AI generated content. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to easily and effectively label your AI generated content following the TikTok community guidelines. First, open up your TikTok application. After that, tap on the plus icon, which is on the bottom middle of your screen, to create a new post. Then select the video that you want and tap on next. Now here again you will have the next option. Again tap on next and you will get this kind of interface, right? Now all you need to do is just click on the more options. Under more options here you will have the AI generated content option, right? So you just need to simply tap and toggle on the option of labeling AI generated content and then tap on turn on, and that's it. Now it has been activated and you can simply go and post your video. So that's how you can label AI generated content on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.